Hey everybody, yeah, out for another ride. Hey, kind of want to talk about. I got a couple of new items coming here. I decided to go ahead and get a finished line chain cleaning unit. It's a set. It's about $30, and I'm going to be kind of doing a separate video on that when it comes. Kind of show it to you guys. I think it's pretty cool. It comes with the chain cleaning unit. It's got a small bottle of degreaser that you can measure it out, add the amount you want inside the unit. You're not wasting anything. You don't have it spilling everywhere. And any of you that like manually clean your chain, you spray some degreaser on it or whatnot, you know how it can you have the extra waste there, right? Plus, it drips, gets on the frame of your bike, and that can be bad for the paint if you don't get it cleaned off. Plus, it gets on sometimes on your rim, on your tire. So this, I think, will be a little more thorough and more effective and efficient in cleaning the chain. Plus, I can do it indoors. I don't have to, put a bunch of stuff down on the ground, so that way it's not going all over the hardwood floors or the carpet, if you have any drippage that takes place. Plus, I got this unique type of a bike helmet coming. They call it a bike helmet, but we'll have to see when it gets here. I'll let you guys kind of decide. It doesn't actually have a safety rating that I could find on it, but it does appear to have that kind of cushioning, that shock absorbing stuff on the inside. So yeah, kind of just out enjoying a ride. Nice day, no rain. Up here, kind of in the wilderness area, really pretty. I'm going the wrong way on a one-way road. Need to be careful. There's been a lot more police action on this road, which is, it's not unusual, but it's been an unusually high concentration because I do go ride in this area quite a bit. And it just seems kind of odd that right in that same window of time that I go riding, suddenly there's been a real excessive amount of police presence on this road. And, looking at the local news and stuff, I thought, oh, maybe there's some issues going on. People over there putting some Halloween stuff out. How cool. Because I know they're having issues with homeless people. And this road over here, right to your left, is pull out. There's been some homeless people and some questionable activity that I've rode by and seen going on there too. So, kind of not surprised. Yeah. Kind of just have to play it by ear. I mean, who knows, right? Never know what's going on. Coming up on, I've got some people up here walking their dogs. Lots of people jog and walk their dogs down this road, as you guys have seen in the past. We have what appears to be some roadkill up here on the road, but it's not roadkill. It's like someone's shirt. Yeah, from a distance, looks like a dead skunk. So I don't know, guys. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked about the chain cleaning unit. Even though I have all the brushes and everything, you really do need a good set of brushes. When you're doing your back, the cogs, your free will or your cassette. So pretty important there, but we'll wait and see. But other than that, yeah, you guys go ahead and enjoy the rest of the ride. Not too much going on. Lazy Sunday afternoon.